Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the correct factory image and unlocking prerequisites. First, identify your exact device model and current build so you don't flash the wrong image. Once done, download the official older factory image and verify its checksum to avoid corruption. Make sure ADB and Fastboot are installed on your computer and enable USB debugging plus OEM unlocking on the phone. These steps let you communicate with the device and flash images safely. You then move into the flashing process using Fastboot. Reboot the device into the bootloader with the key combo or a DB reboot bootloader and connect via USB. Next, run Fastboot Flash in the exact order specified by the factory image, boot, system, vendor, and VB meta when required, because order preserves partition integrity. If the bootloader is locked, perform the OEM unlock sequence. Note this will wipe user data, so make sure you backed up before proceeding. Follow on-screen bootloader prompts carefully. You finish by rebooting and verifying the older Android boots cleanly. The first boot can take several minutes. If you hit a boot loop, perform a factory reset from recovery and retry flashing VB meta or the full image set. Once stable, consider relocking the bootloader only if the image supports it and you understand the relock steps. If things go wrong, return to the checksum verified factory image and reflash exactly as instructed. This fixes most downgrade failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.